Healing is not just a physical act, but a deep process that involves our mind and spirit. In a world full of noise, stress, and anxiety, it is essential to learn how to disconnect in order to connect with what really matters. Nature, with its infinite beauty, offers us the perfect refuge. Walking along a quiet path, dipping into cool waters, breathing in the clean morning air, or simply contemplating a landscape are simple gestures that heal. By stepping away from our daily worries and stimulating our senses with the peace that only nature can bring, we find the balance we so desperately need. The tranquility of the natural environment has a healing power that transcends the physical, soothing our minds and